Creating circular text in Photoshop has always been a little tricky. The traditional method requires you to first draw a circle using the Ellipse Shape tool. Then select the Text tool and move your mouse cursor to the edge of the circle until the cursor changes to the Text on Path icon. Now type or paste your text. After that, you usually need to make a few manual adjustments to get the text positioned perfectly around the circle. If you want a full circular text effect, you may need to increase the font size. And if you want a half circle effect, you'll need to adjust the text size and positioning until it looks right. But now Photoshop has introduced a much simpler way to do this. Let me show you. First, simply type your text as you normally would. Then go to the options bar at the top. You'll see a new dynamic text option. Click on it and select Circle. That's it. Your text instantly follows a perfect circular path. No drawing a circle, no manually positioning the text, and no extra adjustments. You can also easily create a half circle effect and position the text on either the top or bottom of the circle. This new feature makes creating circular text much faster and easier, especially when you need to create multiple designs. A simple feature, but a huge time saver in your Photoshop workflow. Subscribe for more simple Photoshop tips and tricks like this.